15 best digital banks for 2025 gone are the days of driving to a local branch. Now you can deposit checks and pay bills from the comfort of your home. Digital banking lets you handle all your banking tasks from anywhere with an internet connection. But with so many online banks available, finding the right one can be overwhelming. To simplify this process, we've compiled the 15 best digital banks for 2025, catering to various needs. Whether you want minimal fees, robust investment options, or strong interest rates. Current is a leading fintech company offering a hassle-free banking experience. With no hidden fees or monthly charges, you can use your debit card for daily purchases to build your credit. You can also earn points for cash or items at the Current shop. Chime is another popular neobank. It has no monthly overdraft or minimum balance fees, plus a vast ATM network. With its Spot Me feature, you can enjoy fee-free overdrafts. This bank offers early direct deposits and an intuitive mobile app. Next is Stash, a mobile-first bank that combines banking with investing. It doesn't check your credit history, making it accessible to all. Earn fractional shares as you spend and manage everything from the easy-to-use app. SoFi provides a combined checking and savings account. You can earn up to 3.80% APY on savings and access early direct deposits. It goes beyond banking with personal loans, investing products, and member benefits. Go2 Bank offers a user-friendly experience with no monthly fees and a high APY on savings. Enjoy early paycheck access and mobile wallet compatibility with this convenient bank. Upgrade focuses on innovative solutions without traditional banking fees. With competitive interest rates and cashback rewards, it simplifies financial management through its mobile app. Ally Bank is a full-service online bank offering various accounts with no monthly fees. You'll find competitive rates and investment services, making it an all-in-one financial solution. Discover Bank rewards you with cash back on debit card purchases. With its user-friendly app, manage your checking and savings accounts efficiently. Bluevine offers a business checking account that earns impressive interest rates based on monthly activity. Access additional credit options to manage your business expenses effectively. Barclays stands out with high-yield savings and CDs with no minimum deposit required. It focuses on online deposits, providing a mobile app to manage your accounts conveniently. Synchrony Bank provides high-yield savings accounts and IRAs. While it lacks checking options, its loyalty perks program rewards customers significantly. VioBank is known for its great APY on savings and CDs. It has low balances and no monthly fees, making it an appealing choice for savers. Bread Savings features high-yield accounts with a straightforward banking experience. Explore various credit card options that offer cashback rewards. Varo Bank combines checking and saving, offering high interest rates with no monthly fees. You can receive direct deposits early. Finally, IDEO Banking provides multiple checking and savings accounts without maintaining minimum balances. Enjoy fee-free ATM withdrawals nationwide. Digital banks offer convenience and savings. They operate mostly online, allowing you to manage your financial services without traditional bank visits. While they might lack physical locations, they typically have fewer fees, higher interest rates, and easy access. Before selecting a digital bank, consider what features matter most to you. Research terms such as low fees, high interest rates, and ATM availability. The best bank for you is the one that aligns with your financial goals. If you want to explore further, check our detailed reviews of the above banks. Start embracing the future of banking today. Find your perfect digital bank and take control of your finances online. What are you waiting for? Visit our website for more information on the best online banks available.